I'm actually very excited because I'm 2 days away from hiking the highest peak in Malaysia, Mount KK. Mount KK has always been a wish list for me because I know as a Malaysian, I think you guys should at least visit Mount KK at least once in your lifetime, alright? And finally, thank you Sifu Tony for making this trip, and I'll be making my way to Mount KK very soon. So let me just show you guys what I'll be bringing to Mount KK, a very quick one. This Fujifilm camera, a tripod, DJI Mavic Air, hiking shirt, dry fit types, normal shirt as well, windbreaker, pants, towel, posable underwear, thermal gloves and socks from Karimo, knee guard, hiking towel as well, balaclava here, mushroom soup, Milo and coffee mate sachet, first aid kit. Those of you who know me, who hike with me, you guys know I always bring this inside my bag. Bandages, Panadols, counter pain, antiseptic cream, ORS, Chinese remedy to stomach ache, Leatherman multi-tool, spare torchlight, muscle spray, eye drops, 3-liter Hydra pack bladder, travel organizers, headlamp, extra battery, electronic stuff here, extra batteries, extra memory cards, power bank, sunglasses, GoPro Hero 7 mounted on the Joby 3K tripod. So basically these are all the items that we're bringing, and of course food we will be buying in KK itself. All these will be packed into these 2 big bags, alright? So let's not waste time and let's start packing.
Okay, nama saya Rainer.
Yupin. Ipin ada Ipin.
Raincoat mas. Yes. We are not sure what the weather. The weather holds until tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay, good.
Ini kali lah.
Stairway to heaven. Serious stairway to heaven.
Oh, fighting. Refuel. Second hand. Pondok Ubah. Look at the waterfalls. It goes all the way. Five km. 240, 100 meters. My hands are frozen. I can't even move. My shoes. Get my shoes. They are wet. And that is Laban Rata. So after 9 to 3 is around 6 hours of hike. I'm finally here at Pana Laban. It's a very tough hike, right? It's very cold because it's raining. Every step I take is it's very torturing. It's tormenting every step I take. It's really cold. So this is the last 80 meters. Alright. Well done. You have reached Laban Rata. You got hot water, 3 o'clock?
Is it 3?
3.
Oh.
Not bad for first timer. Not bad at all. Look at the sheer size of this thing. Unfortunately, it's raining today. Alright? And this guy is actually clearing up in front of me. Look at this. Oh my god. I'm so cold now. Right? My hands are frozen again. And that camp there is a Sayap. Alright, I'm going down.
Ayo, walao, steady ah.
Pergi.